if you come, you could chill here. Yeah, and the sea's right here. Look at that. Look at that inside. 360 view of
Ramses,
the ocean.
Oral. Catch Ramses running to you.
360 view of the ocean you could see, and the mountains over there. So 360 view.
You want to eat some?
Prospect, all the main road back in the Port Morant, Bowden Wharf, all of those places you can see from
Come,
here.
Ramses.
And as you can see, all
Come
the
cool off
houses
over
are
here.
earth-looking houses.
Ramses,
houses.
come to
I guess
Mama.
they're more energy efficient, but that's what they are. And they the ones that building this one and the one that have this one. This is a guest house that they have. I think the owner for these are in England. So that's what that is here. Opposite my parents' house, this is another house. And most of the houses are peeking out through the bushes.
Well, Mommy,
So it's a very cool neighborhood. You could find a tree to sit under if you don't have air conditioning. And all of these houses down here have air conditioning because of the nature of it, what they use for. This one is a guest house that they do have to have air conditioning because when tourists comes, they want air conditioning. Opposite us is Source Farm. It's like a nature farm. A lot of people live there. I think we're trying to get a tour over there. And this house, I think are they going to rent this place for like guest house, or what they're going to do with it? This house is like a private house, but of course everybody trying to capitalize on the renting of the property kind of stuff. And these people don't live here anyway, so might as well they rent it because a big house is going to waste. So that's another thing. Oh, so the telephone guy is working. What are you guys doing? Adding additional lines? You guys are adding additional lines? Oh, you just fixing up the ones that are broken? Okay. And you guys have no additional line here? Like all the lines are taken already for like the telephone and stuff? They're not doing any more installation?
This line was there, exactly.
Because my parents had a line and then because they migrated for a while, they lost the line when they came back. I know we have no line.
Right.
I know we're taking digital and it's horrible. No, it's horrible. I tell you, you can't download anything. You can't upload, you can't download any
Which company
it's
is this?
absolutely horrible. Oh,
Which company is this?
Flow.
Oh.
So why you guys are not doing any additional line? That's oh, so they're not going to do this type of thing anymore. So it's all going to be fiber?
Basically, yeah.
Okay, so you're just maintaining what's here now?
Let me finish a chart.
Oh, so you maintain it? Because the lady in front of us got our line. Yes, she did. She did because we didn't maintain it for like 13 years, I think, you know. So that's the house right there, the one right opposite, like the down, yeah. Because at the time it was like 4 houses down here with the 4 lines. And we were one of them, and we lost it, and we couldn't get anything back. And we took the stupid digital, the wireless one.
Yeah, I know it.
Oh, it's the worst thing. Worst. You can't even send an email and that crap. Yeah, it's so bad. All right, Priest, can we go by Source Farm?
We'll go by
Source Farm? Can we go by Source Farm? Yeah, well, guys, that was a little tirade. The internet is so bad at my parents' house, so. So it's here, near the road. So this is Source Farm. It looked like a woodland, but it's not, right? Well, it is and it's not. This is like an ecotourism site where they have a lot of houses in between all the trees. They don't destroy the trees to make any to do any of the houses that they're doing. And they have different type of houses here, Priest. What they have, like sandbag houses.
We go with a mall and just mall and some no black.
So these are just mall and cement, right?
Put not some bag.
And they do like fill in the bags and put.
This is seriously too much, you know.
Right?
This heat.
And then, so these, right? And then, so these are the houses that the guests will come and use, right? And they will use these houses as well, right? These are the houses that they will use. And this is like a 28 acre, 40 acre. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, for sure. And as a child, like set our age, I used to be walking these section here. Because you used to come and get jelly coconut here. So I used to be walking these section. As you can see, not because it's ecotourism, they have water, running water. So that's their line for their running water here. But as you can see how cool it is, like no sun.
We can't
No sun
manage.
is shining right here.
It's too hot.
Like it's very cool. See? It's very cool, right, Tata?
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yes, please.
And that's pot house right there, right? It's very, very cool. So a lot of trees, if you're into like bird watching, you could see it's a Jamaican ball plate, right? They call them ball plate, right? And they have like white wing and a lot of different birds. Do we still have like the ring-tailed parrot here?
Yeah.
We still have them.
Yeah, they live in that tree, I say.
Yeah, we have like some Jamaican
So is the actual farm all the
parrots
way
as
back?
well. In this area, so bird watchers would love it.
What's the...
You could hear, I don't know if you hear the birds chirping now. Birds are chirping. Priest, can you take Ramses for me?
What are we going to see back there? Because I can't handle this heat.
Stacey Ann, it's not hot.
This is like a jungle. This is like a jungle, guys.
Yeah.
Dada, it's like a jungle, right?
it's
Yeah, so you see this like... And when they run the electricity, Priest, they run it under the ground as well?
Oh.
The electricity for the houses?
No, them people are mostly use solar. Yeah.
Oh, instead of solar, okay. So Priest was saying all of the houses have solar. The front office is electricity. And these people often have tours, will come from Kingston and different environs to come and see what they have here. I think they do
Fix the
like
glasses, Ramses.
educational stuff as well as just relaxing tourism. That's a house right there, Chris? That's one right there? Oh, so that's a school? Okay, we get to that. Oh, we have to walk at the top road to get to that? Okay. Birds chirping.
And birds chirping.
Huh?
There's no sun in this area.
Stacey Ann is walking gingerly. Stacey Ann, I used to run these roads, okay? Like run.
No, the problem is not the walk. The problem is the heat.
Dada, are these
It's
rocks?
beautiful
Yeah.
here. It's just
These are
too
rocks,
hot.
yes.
I thought they were eagle eggs.
Yeah, man, they're rocks. And this is what, Chris? What's this?
I'm joking.
Like tank. Okay. So these are the kind of houses that they have. So what they do with this? This is like one of the
You know, they come
like one of the green, like one of the.
some tank and the ground get it.
Oh, so this is the water source. Okay. So this is like the water source and storeroom. See a tank at the back. So this is the type of stuff they have here.
So what else is back there?
A lot of buildings up on the hill.
Building?
Okay. Oh, they're buried right here. So one of the owners, he died, and they buried right in the back of the property. Where are the other houses? You have to go on the top road to see them, or we could see them from here. So this is part of Source Farm. So the wellness center is Ni Mala Wellness Center and pharmacy. They have a wellness center and pharmacy around here? What the? What? So we're gonna try and find the wellness. Yes. Why they make the wellness center so far back though? It's at the back of the line. This is where we used to go and get food. Oh, and they have the water source right here. So they have their own water and everything here. But it's self-contained in a lot of ways. But the good thing about it, they don't destroy any of the trees too. Oh, so does she live up here in this section? So this is the pharmacy, and the wellness center is that way, right? So there's no houses. This way? This way?
Yeah.
Which way?
Like you used to do, I look at this door and I'm going.
Which way we should walk?
Now we are coming out
Oh, a lot of houses out here.
So is this actually into retreat by now?
This is retreat. This is prospect.
Prospect?
Yeah.
Wow.
Dada,
Because I'm like,
Yes. What you see?
if we walk all the way in the bushes, then we must be in like that area by
Oh,
now.
this is what? Cardboard?
Cardboard? What is
What that mean? Oh, it's an ecotourism, so you gotta put your cardboard there for recycling. Oh. You don't throw anything all over the place. So when I get back to the front, I'll put the information on the and the tape so that you can see it. I guess this is one of the nursery because you have a lot of little seedling. And I think they do ganja over here too, guys. So, so
They have weed back here?
yeah.
What do you need? Tell me.
So
Since I
These are the
turn
kind of
the
houses
hat
that they
around so you
have.
can cover your face.
here,
Dada, I want to show you something.
these are the kind of houses that they have here. And if you look, it's overlooking the sea, so you can see the sea over there. These are the kind of eco-friendly houses that are here. So far we have to walk. We have to walk
So
like
who
quarter
lives
miles to
in
start
these
seeing these houses.
These are the
And
workers?
if you look further ahead
Here,
in that section, right here,
have one. Sausage.
right here, you see another one.
Sausage.
So that will give you the size of the land and what they have on them, right?
So who?
So they have a lot of
lives here?
property, lot of property here. So, some are permanent houses, priest,
Who
and
lives
some
in
are
these
just rental.
houses?
So some of these are permanent, and some of these are just rental. And tourists come and use them. So
Oh wow.
it's so far we travel
Yeah.
to come and see these houses. So
You could not tell
Looking
that
at
this is
the-
back here.
looking at the front of the property, you wouldn't believe
Just
that
so
all
far
of
to
these
walk,
stuff are
though.
here with modern amenities and everything else.
Look what this says.
Yeah.
It says barbecue.
You know, it's a butterfly hill.
Oh, what?
So we had 3 butterfly hills. So these have numbers and
This is a
addresses.
butterfly hill?
Yes. See, someone is living here. Very, very nice. So if you look at it, it seems as if it's like in the bushes, right? Well, it's in the bushes, but it's self-contained solar panel. You see no electricity running this section, but all the houses are self-contained. And this is just one section. Guys, it's the first time I've been here in this thing. I came to this property probably when I was 6, 7, 8 years old, but now I haven't seen it since. They built all of these stuff here. And if you could look, you see the sea is overlooking the ocean. So the ocean is right there. That's retreat right there. This is, seem like office type. So this must be the tourism center. It's a 5-tile ocha, aisle ocha. So gotta be where you do all your transaction. Hey, what's up?
Where are you going, brother?
Where you going? What's this section right here? So this is for rental too? Oh, so this is rental sometime, like tourism kind of thing, right? Yeah. Okay, so right now you just do the.
Why can't I just stand here and look cute
So
and
this
wait
is
for
like
you in the
literally
shade?
2 minutes away from my parents' house. Caretaking of the property and everything else. Okay, so this is just one of the houses. So this is not permanent, but the other ones over there are permanent houses that people live in permanently, right? Okay. So if people want to live like here permanently, how they do it? They contact Nicole and they could buy into it? Yeah. And you could buy the house permanently, or you just pay to live here permanently. How does it work?
So you have to talk to her about that.
Okay.
And or do I can get more
Or do I?
information. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you have a lot of wasp here.
He's just taking
It's
care.
like straight nature. I love it. Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing. Oh, priest gives satire right. Ramses are right all the way over. So these were the
Oh my gosh,
earlier.
the beach from here.
These
is-
were the.
Look at
These were the earlier set of houses Right.
For Nicole mother.
for Nicole mother.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, so you see, guys, even the internet is here. So you're not missing anything.
Give Satay a chance. Let me take a picture of it then.
So you're not missing anything. The internet is here, solar light, as you can see. All the. If you come, you could chill
stay
here. Yeah, and the sea's right here. Look at that. Look at that
Satay.
inside. 360 view of
Ramses,
the ocean.
Oral. Catch Ramses running to you.
360 view of the ocean you could see, and the mountains over there. So it is beautiful. Yeah. So this is it's beautiful view. So this, you could look here, you could see the entire Caribbean Ocean from here. 360 view. 360 view.
You want to eat some?
Prospect, all the main road back in the Port Morant, Bowden Wharf, all of those places you can see from
Come,
here.
Ramses.
And as you can see, all
Come
the
cool off
houses
over
are
here.
earth-looking houses.
Ramses, come to
I guess
Mama.
they're more energy efficient, but that's what they are. And they are nests between all of these trees. And look at even
Come over here,
hot
Ramses.
water heater is here, right? So hot water heater. So it's not like you come in like, oh, the water is going to be cold. They have tanks on the top, hot water heater, and you just wake up to nature every day.
Crazy.
Well, my parents semi-have this because
Bag?
the back of their house, it's all woodland as well.
Oh, for
And in the
real?
yard, they have like a lot of trees in the yard as well. But it's pretty different from the hustle and bustle of Kingston and the other cities. But you can see all the houses are here. I don't know what they...
These are made from mall, he said, Oral.
Yeah, these are mall, yeah.
Sand
And they're all
bags.
white, right? So to reflect the sunlight. So they're not as hot as a traditional house. So they're all round type houses. And all the amenities are here. Bicycles are here for the kids. So it's beautiful. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Look, they be having fun. They be drinking their Red Stripe and
Come around.
there's a whole wash tub with recycled bottles here.
Yeah, everything they recycle. They don't show anything. Huh? So even the beer bottles, they recycle their beer bottles.
Come to
Nothing, nature all the way.
Go over there.
Recycle beer bottles. This is beautiful.
Go up more in the... Go up more in the sun. Wait, let me-
Yeah, I didn't even know that either. I looked at it in the drone view. Oh, look at those houses. This is like Top Hill and stuff like that on that section. Yeah, lights the Top Hill. Look at the mountains. Yeah.
Go back to Morant here.
Oh, that's Roselle.
Martin Bay where?
That's Roselle right there. Yeah, Martin Bay right there. You
Oh
could
my
see
God, the
Martin Bay
beach
from
is so beautiful right there.
Roselle, yeah.
Waterfall.
The beach is crazy. Can I get a picture in the background?
Cool.
The beach is like,
Absolutely
can I
cool.
see it?
Absolutely gorgeous.
Oh my God.
And this is just one section, right? As you can see, they could put hundreds of houses here if they want, without even destroying the trees. Hundreds of houses. Hundreds.
Leave one for him just because he's...
This is a lot of land. You know, the developer want this land to put gated community now. It's a lot of land. Yeah, this is...
Huh? No, he just live on the White House now. When you go to past, you see the White House right up a little.
Sorry.
Yeah, man, right at the pass. This house, you see one White House on inside, I think.
I'm making the apartment right by James. You know where James sell the land over there? I'm making the apartment there.
Right, get the pipe.
You know where the apartment is right there? Oh, by the school, up here.
We know, man, we know it, man.
Okay.
Picture in.
Okay, cool. So the school running now? Okay, cool. This is nice. So I get overheated, so we gotta cool him down a little bit. So I get burned out.
And his skin is itchy from the heat
Yeah, the
rash.
heat rash is get it to Satai, but Satai, you'll be fine, man. Don't worry yourself. Right?
All right, come, Papa.
You like it, Satai? Other than the heat,
He loves it. It's just too much.
the heat is getting to you. All right, Satai, you'll be fine.
Oh, look.
Yo, Ramses don't want to get down, you know.
No, Ramses, it's too much.
Ramses, oh, you know, you could use those. I make eyeglasses. You know what to do it?
I used to do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
What I also used to do is just put it in my hair like this. Come pick me.
Let me see.
Oh, and
Yes,
my
yes,
God,
yeah.
yeah.
And says anything with sweet nectar and wanted.
hold this.
Well, the bird, yeah, everything you got.
Now, let's see. Let's see how we would do it since I'm wearing a hat.
Oh, it's what happened to you. You all right?
Where would I put it?
Come here, man.
Oh my God.
I say, if I say I roll me, I did this Ramsey and like you have.
Okay, hold this, Satai. Hold
What
this.
is something good?
Okay, that's taking a whole entity. I can't fix it good.
All right, sis, yeah, just fix it anyway. It's fine. Hello, hello. How are you doing? What is done over there in the? It's like a it's like compost.
Yeah, it's where it dumps the toilet over here.
Oh, you use eco toilet as well? Oh, so everything is repurposed.
Yep.
Holy crap!
Beautiful.
So guys, look at this. Even the bathrooms are not
So how
going
did?
into the sun.
So how does that happen?
Yeah, I think she's in the school.
Nicole is your hand, right?
This road
Okay.
got to get to the school?
Yeah, up there.
Wow, this so guys, everything that's used here is repurposed, right?
Yeah.
The cardboard box are repurposed. All the kitchen waste are compost and reused for fertilizers, and all
And the toilet?
and all the toilets are recomposed.
So how
Wow,
is-
so
how
they're
is that then?
self-contained. So you just remove the. So when you flush, it just goes in.
For the toilets at the kitchen, it's not flush, it's compost toilets.
Uh-huh.
So you cover it with sawdust.
Okay.
And then it gets
I just get moved to here,
But
and
for
then
the
just go back
toilet,
into
how
the
is that done?
fertilizer. Okay, that's really
How is the
nice.
toilet one done? I'm quite interested.
For the up here.
Uh-huh.
So you have your sawdust. You can use we use wood chips and sawdust. and
Okay, wood
things.
chip. Okay.
So after that, you put it in the toilet, you do your business, you cover it with more sawdust,
Mhm.
and then it gets put here, and it'll
Oh,
How
wow.
long does it stay here before it turn into fertilizer?
I'm not sure. Mom would know. She does the stuff for here.
Uh-huh.
But I think it's a little while.
And that goes into the nursery? You use it into the nursery?
I'm not sure.
Wait.
The compost, the food waste,
Mm-hmm.
that goes to the farm.
The food waste goes directly to the farm because that's more or less bacteria, so that's easier to go to the farm. So this take a little while to break down a little bit more. Okay, that's great.
Let me ask you, were you born here? You don't,
No, I wasn't born.
okay. You don't sound like you were born
You
here.
was born in America?
Yeah.
Where in America you?
Philadelphia.
Okay.
Cool, yeah. We're not far from
So
Philadelphia.
you guys are living here now?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Cool.
nice.
Okay,
From
you
a
go to
baby?
You go to school here and everything?
I'm homeschooled.
Your home school?
Oh.
Still an American standard home school?
Yeah.
Okay, so you get a high school diploma from the U.S. Okay, cool. Are you finished with high school this year?
No.
What grade are
wow.
you now?
9.
9. What's your name?
Nahala.
Nahala. Can you give Source Farm a shout out? We just do it for YouTube.
Shout out to Source Farm.
Yeah, you could say what you do here, what it is about, and stuff like that.
You're putting her on the spot.
Oh, she could. She does it all the time.
More what my father
Your father does, right?
family do.
Right.
I just do. Sometimes I do art for here.
You do art for
Art.
here as well. Okay. And,
If you see inside the house, there's some paintings that I did in my house.
oh, beautiful. You have an Instagram I could look at your stuff?
No, I don't have social media.
Oh, you don't have social media?
No.
But Source Farm does have a social media.
Yes. You can see some of the art is posted on there.
Okay.
Oh, cool.
Instagram, Facebook.
Okay. So
All right.
so whenever they do a new house, you
beautiful.
do the artwork inside and stuff like that.
Oh, that is
the
a heat out
owner
of this son, you know,
wants a
come out
piece
of son.
Oh, the owner.
Yes.
Are these our owners? These
are
are not
own-
rental?
No. Well, some of them are rented, but most of the new ones you see here, they have owners.
Because I see address on them, like numbers. That the houses
Yeah.
have numbers. Some of the ones at the back. They
The
have
butterfly section?
Butterfly
Oh,
with 3.
Butterfly Hill, that is somebody's house. That's not rented.
That's somebody's house.
Yes. Sometimes the people there will rent out rooms.
Okay.
Yes, but they all have owners.
Okay. I was born. I used to, as a child, like my son age, I used to be in this land. I used to run it, yeah, when it was anything like this. Because we have, my parents live up on the White House on the hill, on the left going up. Like when you're going back up into the district, that's my parents' house. Yeah, go up there. And the apartment building that's been made on the right-hand side, I'm making that. The one up to the pipe, you know.
Except
the
it's
pipe
not
is?
as eco-friendly as
Yeah, I'm not as eco-friendly as
As
this.
your
I'm definitely
guys.
not
This is
eco-friendly.
awesome.
Because it's all cinder block and steel and cement and all of that kind of stuff. So it's not as eco-friendly.
It's nice.
But I'm going to try and keep some trees over there though. But yeah, it's a smaller property, so I don't have that much much place to have a
Yeah.
lot of trees. But it's really, really
So
nice.
nice to meet
So we could
you.
walk to the school here?
Yeah.
All right, so nice to meet you, Nyala. School started in a couple of weeks.
Yeah, I've already started.
You already started school, so homeschool started so early?
Yeah.
Okay,
Wow.
nice, really good.
That's
Really nice to meet you. How you like it in Jamaica?
It's good.
It's good, right?
You have
Good.
other siblings?
Yes, I have 2. One's back at the house and I'm
And that's your dad we saw there working on the car?
no,
That's your
it's
uncle?
not.
Okay.
I got my responsibility.
Okay, I see. All right, nice meeting you.
Take care. Bye-bye.
I got my part.
Okay.
Look at my son go white chicken.
Yeah.
I saw him doing it.
Where's Satai? Come, Satai. You want to go with Nayala?
All right, jump on my back, Satai. Come.
Come, shot.
Come take a little back ride.
He's
Come.
exhausted.
Come, I'll put him on my
Get
back.
my
I'll put him on my
salad
back.
biscuits, right?
Yes. Side biscuits.
Don't I look cute?
Holy crap, look what I did. Step in the mud.
You wear the wrong slippers over here. Ramses. Don't I look cute with my...
Satai, you want to jump on my back?
Satai, go on Dada back.
Come,
I'll
go on
hold
my
this.
back.
You go on Dada back. Get a little...
Come.
Come on.
Come on.
Satai,
come
quickly.
on.
It's too hot to play games around here.
Now we are left here home then. The old soldier, yeah.
What else would ya? Ramses? Ramses. Please say you're the old soldier.
Okay, yeah.
Soldier. Dreadlocks Rasta.
I've been quite a while, like a
Buffalo soldier.
That's crazy. Oh, nice.
So they
of them.
came as babies.
So they homeschool them in American Standard homeschool?
Yes, interesting.
I'm going to go and get this
Yeah.
on tomorrow lunch.
Oh, the small one goes out to school?
I don't have a basic teach.
Oh, but the bigger ones are homeschool.
I go party and then we go food.
Okay.
Wow.
Put his hat on for me, please.
Give me that shot. Alright.
Satai, I should be getting that ride. Come down and let mommy ride Dada back. Dada, can I ride your back over this hill?
I mean, I'll go find a soldier work. I got to go lift that guy.
No, we need a buggy cart.
I'm
I'm not coming back without a buggy cart. Oh, you know what? We should have come when it's like...
not evening.
Yes!
Oh, they got birds. They got birds.
That's the time you said to go to the beach. Yes. But we're about to go to the beach and it's like still so hot. Oh, this is a school?
Yeah.
Oh.
He's exhausted. Oh, how you doing?
We took a grand tour of your farm.
Yeah. You remember that? You know, is it right?
Is this one of the drawings Nayela did? We just met Nayela. Nahala. Is this her drawing?
No, I think this is when we had one of our summer school programs.
Okay, okay.
Teaching Beach.
Okay.
Yeah, I was.
So you were in New York?
Yeah, I live in New
Yeah,
York.
because I remember when you guys, when their parents
I brought them up, yes.
Right.
Yeah.
Sorry,
yes,
we have a YouTube camera. Is that okay?
It's,
We're not gonna go inside if it's not okay.
So they were here for a while, and then I was like, let them make a change. So I brought them up for a while.
okay.
And they did like 13 years there.
Right. It's been that long?
It's been that long.
What?
It's been that long.
Mr. Denton was up there that long?
30 years, yes. 30 years, yes.
Because we were actually going to rent the space.
Yes,
That was
yes.
some that time.
I
when
remember.
we had students and all that stuff.
Yes, I should have rented you the space. Because the guy that rented it, you see what I did? You see what he did to it, right?
I don't have it because I'm hard.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
I can.
Yes,
But I didn't listen, so I was just like,
Yes.
you're going to...
Because he was telling Auntie of his to rent it to you, right? And she probably was the one that wanted to rent it. Sit down. Yeah, because...
business place next door. I had it for a while with the students. So when we have the students that come
Right.
for the agricultural program.
Right.
You wanna run around?
Yeah, that's good. No, I know that you wanted to rent it.
Right, yeah.
And I was like,
Right.
yeah.
Right, you can do
Yeah, yeah. We used to walk from the back all the way to the ocean. So what we'll do, we would catch fish as bait. So they used to have like mullet. They used to catch mullet and crayfish and stuff like that. And we walk all the way to the ocean and go fish at the ocean. As a kid, yeah. Yeah, we used to do it. Yeah, we used to like walk.
Doesn't he remind you of Gabe?
Yeah.
He's my sister's. Yes.
Yeah, it's like, yeah, we walk all the way to the back there. And we like in the springtime, you could never go hungry here. You have a lot of yam, like wild yam. Are they still there? Oh yeah, we could never go hungry. Yeah, you always come and get yam and stuff in the back there all the time. You could get wild yam, you could get banana someplace and walk around and get those stuff. It was always big.
Lots more coconut trees, right?
We used to have a lot of coconut, but in the 80s, the disease came in and a lot of the coconut died. So a lot of coconut trees used to be here. Sell it, you could sell it any place.
Yeah.
Any place. So there's nothing that from the sugarcane will go to waste. Nothing. And they have it in Mexico. I think they import, America still imports soda and stuff from Mexico with sugarcane as a sweetener. And they're more expensive than the regular soda in America.
I
Yeah.
mean, for us, we were trying to do the one of the molasses because we do organic farming. And
Yeah.
we need that as one of the inputs for some of our soil amendments.
Uh-huh.
So that was the main thing for me. I was just like,
Yeah.
yeah, sugar's good, and we need it for some of our
But you need the
products,
molasses
but we
at the
need
end.
molasses.
Yeah.
And to fact that there were no imported molasses.
Oh yeah. It's amazing.
But
It's absolutely amazing.
Read is something.
It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. But you never stop trying. So you, once,
Yeah, just keep
never
doing
stop.
it every day. They just went back.
Okay.
They come back and forth.
Okay.
So people who have the same kind of
Mindset, right.
Like our getting environmental.
Right.
Yeah, and then people are doing their different work.
Yeah.
You know, Dwight's into security.
Right.
I'm into agriculture.
Right.
You know, Mooney's a nurse into wellness. My mom, she's
a nurse as well.
Wellness.
Okay.
So we just kind of, what we did when we were in Philly, we just, with my mother, she wanted to come. You know, and so, my parents had got before she'd taken us to US. And then, so it was supposed to be 3 to 6 acres of land.
That's
and
what
then
it was.
the guy found us this piece of property and she said, we can't afford it. We came, our money, we paid a mortgage.
Yeah.
And then all our friends were like, wait a second, I'm gonna have this piece of property.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that everybody keeps saying, how are you gonna do this? We want
Yeah.
the cottage. Where are you gonna go for cottage? And literally that's how it started.
Everybody just started.
Yeah.
So it's like a cooperative.
Yeah, it is what it is. So it just,
I was intrigued by the toilet system. Forget it. That one had me going.
These are all the stuff that's sourced from offer. I just
All right.
work with the
Boy, all right.
one of the owner, and we're gonna try and do some business together, hopefully. So this is what this story started. And this is a guest house right next door to them, and this is source form information. Wow. Source form.
This is crazy. I was not expecting any of this. Honey, we cannot go down there anymore.
The ocean